What's up, guys? You know that feeling when you finally sit down to relax after a long day, but then you look at your floors and realize they're covered in pet hair and dust again? Honestly, I used to spend my entire weekend vacuuming just to keep up, and it felt like a never-ending chore that totally drained my energy. Then I made one change and grabbed the eufy C10, and it's been a complete lifesaver. This thing is so slim, it slides right under my couch where the dust bunnies used to hide, and the LiDAR navigation is seriously smart. It actually maps out my home so it never misses a spot. My favorite part is that it empties itself, so I don't even have to think about trash for 8 weeks straight. It even detects my carpets and boosts the suction automatically, which is huge for getting all that stubborn dog hair out. Now my house stays spotless while I actually enjoy my free time. If you're ready to stop being a slave to your vacuum, I put the link in the description.